How to add a new delivery address in Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to add a new delivery address on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add a new delivery address, tap onto the shopping icon cart at the top. Just right here, select it. Then tap onto account right here at the bottom, select it. Then here you can find your profile right here. Now tap onto your profile icon, just right here at the top right corner, select it. Then here you can find the places right here. Now to add a new delivery address, you can simply change your home address or work address. Now tap onto one, just like this. Now search for an address like this and type the name of the place, just like this, and tap onto it just like this, and simply save and continue. And that's it. This is how you can add a new delivery address in the Uber Eats application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.